The last part will consist on creating a deal. This is super easy as well. The process doesn't change. All you need to make sure is that when you're creating a deal, you have to be inside the contact page, not on the company. So if when you're about to create a deal, once you look on the left side, you can see the name of the company, and on the right side you can see a contact. Do not create a deal over here. You want to go inside the contact in which the proposal is going to be sent to. So in this case, Joe Smith. Click on him. Once his name is over on the left side, then you go over on deals, click on add, and then you can go ahead and create a new deal. In this case, I want you guys to follow a very simple naming pattern that will help us out when sending proposals. So the first thing is the company's name. This one you don't need to touch. Then you type in underscore, and you're gonna put your division name. So in this case, we're sending a Go Traffic proposal. So I'm gonna type Go Traffic Management. Then, since I'm sending proposal, I want you to put in proposal and rates, and then the year. If you are sending just the rates, all you have to do is just type in rates 2020. If you're sending for Go Traffic Okanagan, then you just type an underscore and type Okanagan. If you're sending it for M3 Personal, type in M3 Personal. That's it. Very straightforward, but just try to always keep it in this order. So company name, division, region if needed, type of proposal or rates, and then year. That's it. Let's go back. Okay, the pipeline. This is also extremely important. Once you're creating, you want to make sure that the pipeline you're choosing is the same pipeline as either the service or the division you're in. So if you're doing M3 Personal, make sure you're doing either downtown Vancouver or Port Coquitlam. For Go, UF, Ensign, Alliance, you want to go over and choose traffic control, either Lower Mainland, Vancouver Island, or Okanagan. If you're sending out a TMP, UF Go TMP, and that's it. So in this case is a Go Traffic Management, Lower Mainland, so just choose the pipeline here. Next step, deal stage. The deal stage needs to be proposal requested. This is the part that's going to notify us and the proposal coordinator, and we will know that we have to send a proposal. So make sure it's proposal requested. Deal creation date, date of today. Close date, you always want to try and give it 30 days. So 25th, let's go over here for instance. Then proposal coordinator, same thing. Deal owner, contact owners, your name is going to be showing over here. Deal type, since we created a new company, it's a new business. If the company was found in our database when you looked up for it, then it's an existing business. In this case, new business. Amount, you don't need to worry about it. Check that everything is correct, and then come over here on associate deal with. You want to make sure that the company says the name of the company that you will be sending the proposal to, and the contact is the correct contact. If it's not here, you can just type in the name of the contact. If you're following the steps in creating company, then contact, and the deal inside the contact, everything should be here. So you just need to look to double check, but you're not going to have to alter anything. If it doesn't show up here, then go back and make sure that you're doing that inside of the contact page. Click on create, and that's it. You will be taken to the deal page. Same thing as the other ones, but this one has more information. So on the left side over here, there's the deal name, stage proposal requested, the pipeline, traffic control, Lower Mainland. On the right side, you can see the contact and the company. And that's it. Thank you.